And we are back on the WHHI-TV Daily News. With me is Chief Joe Babkiewicz, and of course, he is the Bluffton Police Chief. And so last time we were talking, Chief, we were talking about your safe driving initiative and some of the forums that you're doing. You did have one already, but you do have another one coming up. So let's just throw that date out there again so people are aware of when that is. And then I know we have a couple of other community events we want to talk about as well.
Yes, we understand that a lot of people couldn't make it this past Monday because it was the first day of school. And so we set up a second meeting, community meeting on September 20th. It is at 6 o'clock, and it will be over here at the Bluffton Police Department in the training room. And it'll be a similar meeting as to what we had before, which is talking about traffic safety.
Excellent. So I know when we were off camera, you mentioned to me that you are having an event that's kind of the first of its kind in the state, and that's also going to be happening in September. So tell us a little bit about that.
A while back, we had an event for a family here in Bluffton whose house burnt down. And one of our Bluffton police chaplains said something along the lines of, why do we always wait for a tragedy to pull a community together for an event? And so that really stuck to me. I really took that to heart. And so when I recently met with the Buck Island and Simmonsville committee and talked to them about what that chaplain said. And so collectively, we came up with an idea to have what we're going to call a night of unity, which is occurring Thursday, September 14th. And it's going to be from 5:30 to 9 p.m. over at Oscar Frazier Park in the Field of Dreams. And what that is we just went around to all of our faith-based organizations and asked if their worship groups would come out and perform for about 15, 20 minutes, as well as some speakers to come out and provide some positive interaction with our crowds and some positive messages to share with everybody. Ourselves and the Bluffton Fire Department, we will be working together to serve food. So food is free that night. Nice. Hot dogs and hamburgers and water. But it's just a great night to come on out, bring your lawn chairs out or a blanket, come on out and just enjoy a free night of entertainment and positive messages.
Well, I love that. It sounds like it's going to be a really uplifting event. And I love that message of let's come together, not around a tragedy. Let's have some fun together and enjoy each other's company. I think that's a great message. And within that event, you mentioned that you're going to be rolling out another community outreach program as well?
Yes, so our social worker here at the Bluffton Police Department, her name is Kate Cooler. She came up with a great program to help families that are in need. And what it's called Blessings for Bluffton. And we're going to kick it off October 1st, but we're going to really promote it during this event. And what it is it gives anybody in the community, if they know a family that's struggling, whether somebody just lost a job or somebody's struggling and just needs some help with groceries, people can bring in gift cards to us, and they can nominate a family within the community that we will then go and take and go grocery shopping with them. If their son needs cleats for a football or anything like that, we can take them shopping and get them cleats. It's just another way for us to reach out and help families in the community.
Well, and I do love that. As we said before, this unity event is something that's going to be fun and not around a tragedy or around a hardship, but something the Bluffton community does really well is come together if there are families in need. How have you seen that play out?
Like I said, the family whose house burnt down, they had a charitable event and it was packed, it was sold out. It is truly amazing. The strength of this community and how close people are. And when a family is in need, everyone is in a rush to go help them, and it's just an amazing thing to see. And that's what makes Bluffton so special, is that people in this community, they're so giving and caring to each other. That's what makes Bluffton special.
Yeah, it certainly is. Well, thank you so much, Chief, for being with us again. And please remember his Driving Safety Forum on September 20th, and of course the Night of Unity on September 14th. Thanks again, Chief.
Thank you.
Thanks, Betsy. When we come back, a very busy weekend in high school football. We'll have the results and maybe a peek ahead from Justin Jarrett next.